What's up, YouTube? Today is February 12th, Sunday, I guess. Can you see that clock? And I just woke up a little bit ago, at like, let's see, what was it? It's like 2:30, I want to say. So I want to do a little vloggity vlog of me washing my knickers. I'm going to wash my bras, in other words. So yeah, this will be a vlog about that. Usually I wash them by hand, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And I do it in cold water. I put them in, let them get soaked before I add any kind of soap or anything like that. This is probably pretty precarious. I'm working with water and a camera. That's probably not a good thing. Okay, let's get a little bit of soap. And I'll put it in there. I can't tell if you can see that. I think you probably can. Nice and bubbly. Whoa. I almost spilled that. And then this is my fabric softener that's going to go in a little later. So then I move the bras around to here. Get them all soaked in the soap and water. And kind of mash them up, mash them about. This is my newest bra right here, the black one. So yeah, now I set the timer. I usually have it soaking for like 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna do 15 minutes this time here. Okay, so now I just wait. Isn't that fantabulous? And don't mind my hair, it's like, I know it's totally a wreck. Yeah, and then I did some uploading. I uploaded a video, and then I went down for another nap, and now I'm filming. Oh, aren't you glad that I'm filming? Did you miss me? Anyways, it's been a couple of minutes, and now I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do. I will tell you about my day. I did some silk weaving exercises, and I went on to my ab exerciser. I'm not going to exactly say the name of exactly what it is, because that might not be good. And then I stepped on, oh, I can show you this thingy. My dad discovered this. This is kind of interesting. Okay, so he found like this crate thing. And we've been using it as if it's like a stair stepper. You know, like step up on it and down. I thought that that was a pretty good find that my dad did there. I got hair in my mouth. Alrighty then. What does that look like, I wonder? I'm all red. Yay! I ate a veggie burger. And then, oh, before that, my dad made this delicious thingy. I got hair in my mouth again. I think there's still a little bit of it left in here. It was like rice, and had broccoli, celery, a little bit of diced boiled egg, hard-boiled egg, and some apple. And it was really good. I think I'm gonna give the rest of it to the birds. Oh, my hands are all dirty now. Leftover sandwich crust and the rice and stuff from the other meal. So now I'm gonna have to get some water for the birds. This'll waste some time. I need to get on some shoes. This is gonna be a beep to edit. My knickers are still soaking. My bras. My friend Floyd said something pretty funny. He called them Unspeakables. I was like, Unspeakables? Alrighty then. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I guess I'll do the water first. This is the little bird bath deal that we have. And it looks like there's a bunch of crap in there. So I'm just gonna dump that and kind of rinse it out a little bit. Are you adjusting at all, camera? YouTube? All you viewers out there in YouTube land? I'm trying to hold this camera the way that it makes me look the most attractive. Attractive? Am I attractive? Yeah, so now I'm gonna give them the food. They're beeping at me already. I just totally bleeped myself. Isn't that awesome? My dad always does this call for the birds. I don't know if I can do it. The sun is really bright. Something like that. And then the birds know that there is food and water out here for them. Woo! That was fun, wasn't it? Any doodle. Alright, I got less than 5 minutes. I got about 4 minutes to go. I like beer. I burnt past participle. The one that's in there right now is 5088. I burnt Rock Reset. And I burnt Androgynous, which are a couple of cover CDs that my father and I have done. Here's a mannequin. I'm currently working on a music video for the hat. I'm gonna leave my hat on, you know, and so yeah, that's gonna happen pretty soon. This is the hat that I'm gonna be wearing, you know. Never ever really knew. Everybody's always told me that I look really cute in hats. My skin looks kind of purple right now. And I'm washing my Unspeakables. Wow. My face looked really bright there for a moment. I wonder what it looks like with these lights. Is that better? Or is it worse? Ah! The timer just went off now. Okay, so I need to let this drain completely. And, oh no, I don't want my brows to fall down the drain. Okay, I got it. So now I have to rinse these. I'll rinse them a little bit, like this, and then I will fill the sink completely full of water and rinse them that way. And then after I rinse the soap out of these, I am going to put the fabric softener in there. fabric softener. So that'll be good. I can't smile and make it actually look genuine. Guess I'm not really that happy right at the moment. Is anybody ever happy when they first wake up in the morning? I should think not. I mean, like, morning time sucks, wouldn't you agree? Yeah, totally, totally. Of course you agree with me. Of course, of course. Oh. Okay, I'm getting dark again. This is Beautiful Soul that is playing. And I'm all red again. Red light. Oh, what I would really, really like is a black light. I want a black light, and I want a poster that glows in the black light. That would be totally black and light and awesome. Yeah, that would be so cool. Alright, let's see what this light looks like in the camera. Looks cool, huh? Does it look cool? I'm a fish. I can't make this sound. Right. Okay, so... excuse me. This is my phone. I'm gonna turn the music down here. And I'm going to call him. I'm dialing. I don't know if he's gonna actually answer or not.
Hello.
Hello, Floyd. What are you up to?
Laying around, laying on the couch.
Laying on the couch?
Laying on the couch,
Are you watching a movie?
No.
No? You're in my vlog. I'm filming right now.
Oh.
I'm just making a vlog about washing my Unspeakables.
Okay. That's what I should have done. Should have done was wash my clothes.
You're gonna wash your clothes?
Not today, but I should have.
Oh, okay.
I still have a clean apron, socks and underwear though, so that's cool.
Yeah, that's right. I gave my shirt and my apron to my dad today. He gave them to Danny when he went to work. I still need to rinse these out. Did you get those texts that I sent you?
Which one? You sent me 3, right?
Yeah, you got them all then.
Yeah.
You just didn't text me back?
I didn't know what to say.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're funny.
I was thinking about that. Like, I should have said something.
So now I'm in the process of rinsing. I have to add the fabric softener. That braw's getting old. Look at that. It's so wrinkly. Doesn't hold its shape anymore. Bam! I've abused that bra. Okay, now I'm gonna let that sit for a while. I'm gonna set the timer again. I think I'll let that go for like 5 minutes longer. I'll do 20 minutes instead of 15. How long were we talking for earlier today? Floyd! I think you forgot about me. There were a couple of times during the night where I slept with my phone and it was there next to me and I was like rolling around and I accidentally called him like 3 times, I think, last night. He said that I was calling him and I wouldn't say anything when he answered the phone. Of course I didn't because I was sleeping. I don't talk in my sleep that I'm aware of. That'd be weird. I wonder what I'd say if I talked in my sleep. Would I like make up a story or song lyrics or something? That would be interesting. Floydie! He's totally ignoring me. That's not fair! Oh well. I've got a few more minutes. 12 minutes. Well, this is my life, folks. Cali eyes. Hello? No way, it's impossible for me to hang up. My button is broken. I don't know what happened. That's weird. I was like, Floydie, are you still there? Can you hear me? I thought you hung up on me. I was like, he's probably getting me back for those midnight calls. I'm waiting for the timer to go off so I can rinse out my bras. I'm not wearing a bra currently since I'm washing them all. I used one of those effervescence aromatherapy balls in my bath. That was pretty cool. I splashed on my phone again. I'm gonna have to get a new phone pretty soon. I've used these things. Spider monkey noodles. You think that's funny? Not just monkey noodles, but spider monkey noodles. Outside? No.
So I'm leaving work, and before I leave work I have to go for and use the toilet, you know, just before taking off on my walk. And I go into the bathroom and I'm standing there at the urinal, and I walked over towards one of the little stalls after, you know, putting things back in my drawers, and weed, man, bud. Somebody's been smoking bud in that Califrac bathroom down there. I thought, hey, I know that smell.
No way.
It's been a while, but yeah, it's strong. That only bud will hang on like that. You know, I have this certain particular. Well, who in the heck's been in here lately? You know, I started thinking about who I knew had gone down to the toilet.
Oh my god. That's hilarious.
It was funny. Well, it was a male's bathroom. Most likely it was a guy. That'd be a good place for a girl to hide it. You know, sneak into the men's bathroom real quick and smoke it and sneak back out. And this was definitely the stick to the wall stuff. God dang. I think I have to replace that light bulb out of my front porch.
Because it's out, huh? Yeah, that's true. Damn, that was loud. What was that, a motorcycle?
That noise?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. I'm gonna wash that job right out of my hair.
You're gonna put a light bulb in there?
I am.
Okay.
All the tools I need. Amazing plus.
Indeed. What happened? You broke it. you want me to turn it on?
Yeah.
There we go.
Plus, one changes a light bulb without getting electrocuted. Oh yeah. Good idea.
Whoa.